Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see Zoho are introducing Zoho PDF Editor absolutely free. How to use, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on my Mac screen. First of all, I just simply open here Google and type Zoho Office Suite, enter. The first link is display here, just simply click here. Afterwards here Zoho Office Suite complete productivity platform. I already make a several video related on this platform. So here couple of features they are introducing. One of the features is Zoho PDF Editor we are targeting today. Just simply click here Zoho PDF Editor. Look at this here, free online PDF editor. Edit your PDF, instant take text, image, draw shape, highlight text, add signatures, organize PDF and so on. So such kind of features you are receiving. Look at this here, all PDF editing tools you are required accordingly you receive. So they are explaining here very nicely. We just simply click here edit PDF. Up to 150 page you can edit one time. So here is my resume. I just simply added here in PDF edit point of view, pdf.zoho.eu. Wait a couple of seconds, loading your file. So this is my resume, and if you want edit something, erase something, so here the erase option is showing. I just simply say erase like this. Look at this, very easily you can erase which text you want erase. And if you want add something, so like save PDF, highlight PDF, so you want highlight specific paragraph, specific line, so you can highlight here. Text box, you just simply type here data scientist, so you can add here particular text or just simply drag and drop any other places like this. It's really up to you. So here is really impressive. Afterwards here checkbox, if you want add here some of the checkbox you can add like this. You want add circle, so you just simply add the circle as well, small circle or big circle. Control Z is also working here. If you want add some of the images, so you should upload here image, insert URL, ping from work drive, my library, photos, text box, object. So here barcode, QR code or watermark, fields, data, author name, document name, fold or scan. You want add some of the link, or you just simply create your own link. So that one is also interesting. If you see here, click and just simply select the particular text, and you should add the specific link so someone can click there and automatically the page is open. That one is really interesting. Afterwards everything, all the modification is done. You just simply say here save the PDF. You want sign something, say insert the file and just signature. Afterwards save. You can share your document directly via collaborative email. Fill the files, save the PDF. Afterwards here your PDF. I just simply open again and this edit already received here. That one is really impressive. If you want download your editable file, and just simply look at this here, file and download as a PDF or password protected file. After clicking this one, edited version I am receiving here. It's very easy, understandable, and that one is absolutely free without any copyright watermarks is coming after download this file. If you have any question related on Zoho product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.